Is potassium sorbate a carcinogen, or is it completely safe? Let's break it down. Potassium sorbate is a white odorless preservative used in food, drinks, and skincare to stop mold and yeast. It doesn't kill microbes, it just stops them from growing, especially in acidic products. You'll find it in cheese, soft drinks, yogurt, and also in creams, shampoos, and lotions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Recent large studies found that higher intake of some food preservatives, including potassium sorbate, is linked to a slightly higher cancer risk. But this is association, not proof of cause. Some lab studies also show DNA damage and potential carcinogenic mechanisms at high doses. However, regulatory bodies still consider it safe because in normal amounts it's broken down into water and carbon dioxide and doesn't accumulate. And here's the key difference. In skincare, it's used at very low levels and stay mostly on the skin with minimal absorption into the bloodstream. Potassium sorbate is also milder than many other preservatives and often used as a clean beauty alternative. My view? It is safe in cosmetics, but when it comes to food, it's worth limiting overall intake and focusing on less processed options.